Hello, my angels. Subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I'm here with a requested video from Aravinda. I am sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but yeah, she came up with this request for a South Indian makeup look, which is inspired by Hyderabad like Telugu look. So here it is, and she gave me the color choice of black and purple. So this is how the look turned out. I hope you guys will surely enjoy this video. She even suggested me to watch some few Telugu movies. I couldn't watch them because I had no idea what I was doing, so I did not really watch any movies. But yeah, I have few friends in Hyderabad. They are Telugu, so I asked them few questions, and this is the look how it turned out. So I hope I have done some justice to this look, and if I did, you have to tell me, you have to comment down below and let me know if I did it. So yeah, without any further ado, please get into this video. As usual, starting up with the primer first, and for that I am going with this L'Oreal Base Magique. And I'll be going with this on the T-zone area and blend it out with my fingers. And next for the foundation, I'm going with this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation, and this is in the shade Warm Beige. And to apply my foundation, I'll be using a damp beauty sponge. To brighten up my under eye area, I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And this is going to cancel out all the darkness under my eyes. And now to conceal and highlight my face, I'm going with this Maybelline Instant Age Revived Concealer. And I'll go with this on the usual areas of my face, like my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, on the cupid's bow, around my mouth, on the chin, and lightly underneath my eyes. And again, I'm going to blend everything out with a beauty sponge. And even I'm going to conceal my eyelids for the eyeshadow. And now to set my face, I'm going with this banana shade from here, and this is the Wet n Wild contour palette. And I'm going to set the areas I have concealed and highlighted. And to contour my face, I'm going with the other shade from the same palette. And I'm going with this on the hollows of my cheeks, on the temple area, on the forehead, on the jawline, and even I'm going to contour my nose with this. So I'm almost done with my base, and now I'm moving on to my eyes, but before that I'm just going to fill in my brows, and I'm going to do that off the camera. So if you want to check out my eyebrow routine, you can check out this eye right here. You'll reach my eyebrow routine. So yeah, I'll just fill in my brows and be back. So guys, I'm back after filling in my brows, and I just want to quickly mention I have some lip balm on, and that is Nivea Peach Shine. And now let's move on to Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes, so if there is any fallout, this can catch. So first for the transition shade, I'm going with this brown color from Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette. And I'll be going with this on the crease area and blend it out in the back and forward motion. And next I'm going with this blush right here, and I'll be going with this on the crease as well. But make sure you're going with this on the socket area. And next I'll be going with this matte purple shade from Makeup Revolution Color Chaos palette. And I'll be going with this on the outer V and even on the crease area. And now I'll be going with this matte black from Makeup Revolution Run Boy Run palette. And I'm again going with this on the outer V. I'm lightly going with this on the crease area as well. And now I'll be blending everything out with a clean fluffy brush. And again I'll be going with this purple shade, and I'm just going to intensify the purple on the outer V and even on the crease area. And I think I'll go with a cut crease, so for that I'm again going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm starting from the inner corner and I'm going for a half cut crease over here. And now I'll be going with this rose gold shade from Makeup Revolution Run Boy Run palette. And I'll be applying this on the inner corners of my eyes. And now from Makeup Revolution Color Chaos palette, I'll go with this shimmery purple shade. And I'm just going to apply this on the mid of my eyes. And I'm going to blend the edges so there are no harsh lines. And there should be a nice gradient between all the shades, so I'm just doing this. And again I'll be going with this black mixed with little purple right here. And I'll again go with this on the outer V and make sure the gradient is nicely blended. And now I'm going to dust off all the excess powder I have on my face. And now to tideline and waterline, I'll be going with this Nykaa Rock Kajal. And I'll be going with a smudged out lower lash line. And now to smoke out the lower lash line, I'll again go with this purple shade from Makeup Revolution Color Chaos palette. And even I'm going to connect this with the outer V. And now for the wing liner, I'm going with this Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Liner. So now I'm going to finish off my eyes, and for that I'm going with the mascara, and this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'll be going with this on the top and even on the bottom lashes. So I'm done with my eyes. Now let's move on to face. Again, I'm going with my blusher first. And for that, I'm going with this Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette. And I'll be going with this blusher shade. And I'll be going with this on the apples of my cheeks. And now for my highlighter, I'm going with this Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And I'll be going with this on the bridge of my nose, on the cupid's bow, on my chin, on the tops of my cheeks, on the eyebrow bone, and even whatever is left on the forehead. And now for my lipstick, I'm going with this Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid lipstick in the shade Wine and Shine. So guys, that's it for this look. I hope all of you enjoyed. I hope Aravinda, you definitely enjoyed this look, and thank you so much for this look, this request. I absolutely enjoyed while filming this because it was such a challenging makeup look for me. Like, not the makeup part, but to come up with the whole situation going on right here, the jewelry, the gajra and everything, and the bindis. especially because I had no idea what I was doing. I asked a few of my friends, as you already know, and they told me about these amazing fact about the bindi as well. Like, there are different types of South Indians. So there are Tamils and there are Telugus. So as I came to know, Tamils, they wear the white ash just right here on the forehead, and then they wear the bindi underneath. But for Telugu people, you guys wear the bindi first and then you go for the kumkum underneath that. So it was like a very beautiful thing, a detailed thing which I got to know. So if I'm not wrong, this is what it is, and correct me if I am wrong. So yeah, I definitely enjoyed this look, and thank you so much once again for the request. So yeah guys, if you want me to do more such requests, let me know. I love creating looks for you guys because it makes me connect to my audience. So yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram for all the behind the scenes. And yeah, what else? Hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. So that's it for this video. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.
Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.